John? Well, we did stations, but what did we read, Michaela? Sacagawea. We learned and read about Sacagawea. What did we kind of stop and talk about while we were reading that book? Does anybody remember, Riley? She was on a coin. We read that a little bit later. Did we talk about main idea? We did a little bit. And we did if you were in a station with me or Miss McCarter. We did more main idea stuff. How do you find the main idea? Kaylee? Main idea is what the story is mostly about, right? It's a who or a what? Yes, Kayla.
Really, what the main idea is pretty much the main character, the
What
town.
what the story is mostly about. And that could be a person or a place.
When it comes to the main idea.
We have to find details to figure out the main idea. Sacagawea. Java?
It was,
Here?
yeah, in the main Sacagawea was a very important part in this
Expedition.
expedition.
Yes, ma'am. She was a very important part in this expedition. Why was she so important? What are some of the things that she did? Ava? She helped translate. Tony? What else did she do? What other details helped us figure out what the main idea was? She what? Yes, when the stuff fell out of the boat, she was the only one who jumped in that water and went to get it all. She went and got their medicine and all of their equipment, and it talked about journals. Yeah, notebooks. Their medicine. She was a very important part of the expedition, and those were just some of the details we talked about, right? Alright, so in front of you, you have a main idea worksheet. And I want you to be on the page where it says visiting an aquarium. Is everybody on that page?
Yeah.
Is everybody on that page? Give me a thumbs up. All right. We are going to read the instructions, and we're going to do the first one together. Now it says read the passage and then cut out the sentences at the bottom of the page. We're not going to cut or glue. We're just going to idea supporting detail. Now somebody told me that last year, the main right and the left were the supporting detail. So if it's on, it is. Our wants to read this. Ooh, so many volunteers. Cariana.
Also usually have a very truck.
sharks, red sharks, and sand tiger sharks. An aquarium is a great place to see examples of camouflage. And as many underwater animals are nested there.
Good job. All right. So I want to have somebody read one of the boxes at the bottom. Who wants to read me the first box? Haley? All right. Who wants to read me the second box? Carly?
You can see a variety of ocean animals.
All right. Who wants to read the third? Grace.
Aquariums usually have different types of sharks.
All right. Somebody read me the last box. John.
Aquariums have varieties of corals.
Look at that word again. The V word. Vibrant. Good job. All right. Just from reading the answer choices, which one of those is our main idea of this passage? Tyner, which one do you think?
The first one.
The first one? An aquarium is a great place to see examples of camouflage. Do y'all agree?
Yes.
Okay, we have some saying yes, some saying no.
No.
Who does agree with him? Okay, we have some changed minds. Who doesn't agree with him? All right, Addie, tell me why. You can look back over those answer choices. That might not be the main idea. Stop. Because not all aquariums have camouflage. Would you say for part of that aquarium? Yes. So, really good guess. Who? What the main idea is, Riley? The second one. At the aquarium. Do you think that's the main idea? We have some yeses. Do we have any no's? Cariana?
Well, it's kind of exactly kind of think too.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of think that the last one's here too.
Okay. So it has vibrant corals. Well, let's look at the other answer choices. It says aquariums usually have different types of sharks. Is that a supporting detail saying that there are vibrant corals?
I thought the last one said colors.
Oh, okay. What about an aquarium is a great place to see examples of camouflage. Is that a supporting detail talking about vibrant coral? Are you sure? Okay. Riley, which one did you say it was again? The second one. Let's read that one again. You can see a variety of ocean animals at an aquarium. On the first box, it's talking about examples of camouflage. So animals that camouflage themselves, right? The third one talks about the different types of sharks. And the last one talks about the vibrant coral. And it said that coral, a lot of people think they're plants, but they're actually animals too. So all three of these talk about a different animal, doesn't it? So would they be supporting details of this answer? Yes, so that would be our main idea. So we're going to write in our main idea box, you can see a variety of ocean animals at an aquarium. All right, and I'm going to mark that box off. And I won't use it. So somebody name one of those. Well, I'll let y'all finish writing. When you are finished, another thumbs up. You can just a thumbs up. Oh, good, Arian. My over there. All right, is everybody done?
Yes.
Look like it. Somebody. Molly, you want to give me a supporting detail that tells us that's the main idea? The first one. So I'm going to write that in our box as a supporting detail. An aquarium is a great place to see examples of camouflage. Right, I'm going to mark that square out so that I know I can't use it again. All right.
Can I just write camo and shorten it?
If you want to shorten it a little bit, that's fine. It is. That's a really good point. We're talking about camouflage in this story. And we're all wearing camouflage, or most of us are, because it's camo day. All right, so let's look. What is another supporting detail, John?
Aquariums usually have different types of shirts.
All right, so I'm going to write that in another detail box. And I'm marking that one out. So that only leaves us with one more. Cariana, what does that one say?
Aquariums have budget.
All right. So we're going to write that in our last. All right. I want you to stand up beside your desk if you are finished.
Can I just stay sat down?
I want you to stand up. Yes, ma'am. It's for tonight.
Probably won't.
Stand up,
I'm
Michaela.
try to talk my parents into coming. I'll just be here.
We need to make sure we're quiet. Other people are still writing. Michaela. Jamarian. Stop. All right. If y'all can't handle standing up at your desk, we may have to sit down and work on that. Standing up again. Quietly. Without doing ninja moves. All right. I need everybody to sit down. Now I want you to stand up by your desk without any movements. Stand up. Can we make it through? Okay, y'all can sit back down. Yes. All right, so I want you to go ahead and flip your paper over to the other side. Now, I want you to work with a partner at your table. This table, if you have more than just two, you can work together. Same with y'all. Y'all can work together as well. So I want you to read the passage, figure out which one of those is the main idea and which ones are supporting details. You may begin.